Hello and welcome back to the channel. In our last Forex broker review, we took a look at Deriv to see if it is a broker that Nigerian traders could trust to use. In today's video, we are going to be taking a look at how to deposit funds on Deriv and how you can also withdraw profits. So if you have decided to make use of Deriv, you should watch this video until the end. Even if you have not decided to use Deriv, you can still watch. Maybe the deposit and withdrawal process might be what convinces you finally. So let's get started. The first thing we are going to do is to visit the Deriv website. You can sign in here or sign up if you do not have an account yet. You have the option to sign up with email, Google, Facebook, or your Apple ID, which is good. You can also use these methods to sign in. Once you sign in, you will be taken to the Traders Hub, which is basically like your dashboard. Now, by default, this is set to demo. So all the accounts and platforms here are for you to test the waters. It is highly recommended that if this is your first time trading, you should practice with this first, so you don't end up wasting money. Since we are not using demo accounts, we would need to switch over to the live accounts tab. So all you need to do is click on demo here and select rail from the drop down. Now you'll be asked to select the account currency, and you can choose from either the US dollar, the euro, or the British pound. There are also other options related to cryptocurrency if you would be trading crypto. For the sake of this video, let's go with the US dollar. You will then have to fill in your personal information if you are a new user to get your account set up. So once you are all done, you will be back to the Traders Hub. You will see this giant deposit now button right at the top corner. Just go right ahead and click on it. You will be taken to a page where you will see a number of available deposit methods. You have the option to fund your account using debit and credit cards, e-wallets, bank transfer, and alternative methods which are just vouchers. Taking a quick look at the methods, you can see that the card method has a deposit limit of $10,000 to $5,000. Your deposit will reflect instantly, and withdrawals will reflect between 5 to 15 days. If you do decide to go with e-wallet method, some of them have a minimum deposit of $5, while some have $10, and the maximum deposit ranges from $1,000 to $10,000 depending on the platform you choose. Deposit is instant on all platforms, and withdrawals take 1 working day. For the bank methods, minimum deposit is also $10 and maximum is $1,000. Deposit reflects immediately, and withdrawals take between 1 to 3 days. Now for the alternative or voucher methods, minimum deposit here is also $10 and maximum is $1,000 and $500 respectively. Deposit reflects immediately on both methods, and withdrawals are also instant on Genton Cash, but they can take up to 1 working day when you use vouchering. So it is very obvious that Deriv wants you to have as many options as possible to fund your account. For this video, we are going to be using the bank method to fund our account. There are 2 options here, but we are going to be using the first one, which is the online bank transfer. Once you select it, you will then have to put in the amount you want to deposit. You have a reminder here to let you know the maximum and minimum amount you can deposit, just in case you forgot. So let's put in $20 and click on next. Also on this page, just click on continue to open the transaction page. On this page, you'll be required to put in your identification details. Your name and other details are already pre-filled in. You will also notice at the top that the amount you want to deposit has been converted to Naira for you. So you know exactly how much is being deducted and how much you need to transfer. So once you are done filling the selected document area, just click on continue and you will be taken to a page containing bank details and instructions. You would see the bank accounts and the bank name to send the money to, and also the exact amount of money you need to send. You should note that this account is temporary. It is only available for 1 hour, so you need to complete your transaction in that time frame. Once you are done making the transfer, just come back here and click on I have sent the money button. There will be a brief moment to verify the transaction and the money will reflect on your account. If you don't get the funds in your account, or you run into any other issues, or you have concerns or questions, you can just contact Deriv's support team. Now let's go back to the deposit page. If you look to the sidebar here, you will see that there are other options. The transfer option is for scenarios where you have more than one trading account and want to move funds from one trading account to the other. Since this account currently does not have multiple trading accounts and therefore no funds there, it is currently of no use to us here. The payment agent tab just above it gives you even more options to deposit or withdraw from your account. You can reach out to them or carry out your transaction. It is important to note that these agents are carrying out a service and most of them will charge a commission for services rendered. You should also note that although these payment agents are working with Deriv, so to say, they are not affiliated with Deriv. This means that you are going to be dealing with them at your own risk. So make sure you vet them properly before engaging with them. So as for withdrawals, all of the deposit methods are also available to make withdrawals, except for the Skrill one-tap method. They are also as easy and stress-free as making deposits. So that is the simple and easy way to deposit and withdraw funds on Deriv. Make sure to follow instructions and keep your transaction details private. If you will be using payment agents, make sure you do a comprehensive check before engaging them. Although I believe these deposit methods are easy and stress-free enough that you would not even need to do that in the first place. Thank you for watching. If you found this video useful, kindly give it a like and subscribe to the channel. If you also know someone who would benefit from this information, do not hesitate to share it with them. Also remember that if you are looking for a platform where you can connect with other traders, get up-to-date Forex news, and access to economic calendar, you can check out mytradingland.com. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.